A1 School Projects and Crafts presents one more school project, the Arc of Colors, Rainbow, a rainbow puppet show. This is the final part of this project. In the first part, we have seen how to make a rainbow, clouds and the sun. In the second part, we have seen how to make mountains, sky and the assembly of the project. And in this video, we'll see a final puppet show. Hi friends, today we are going to see an interesting story of a rainbow, the Arc of Colors. A rainbow in the sky always reminds me of a poem. First comes the rain cloud passing by, dropping raindrops in my eye. Then comes the sunshine up so high, now a rainbow in the sky. Beautiful and nice poem. Friends, have you ever seen a rainbow? Doesn't it look beautiful? Yes, you're right, of course it is. The 7 colors in a rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Do you think the colors in a rainbow always stay together peacefully? Let us see a story about the colors of a rainbow. Once upon a time, the colors started to fight each other. Each color said that it was the most important one. Green said, I am the color of nature. That is why I am the best. Blue interrupted. I am the color of water. Without water, you would be nothing. Hence, I am the best. Yellow laughed. Ha 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 ha. I bring fun and warmth to the world. The sun, the moon, and the stars are yellow. Hence, I am the best one. Orange said, think of the beauty when I feel the sky at sunrise or sunset. Hence, I am the best. Red shouted, no, no, no. I am the color of love. Hence, I am the best. Violet spoke with a great power. I am the color of royalty. I am the sign of wisdom and authority. No doubt, I am the best. Indigo spoke quietly. I am the color of silence. You need me for prayer and peace. Who is better than me? Suddenly, there was a flash of lightning. The 7 colors heard a rain speaking in a booming voice. You foolish colors, fighting among yourselves? Don't you know that each of you was made for a special purpose? When it rains, all of you join hands and stretch across the sky together. The rainbow is a sign of hope, so that we can all get together and shine, even with our differences. All the colors felt ashamed. They obeyed rain and stopped fighting with each other. And then they all lived happily together forever. You like this rainbow puppet show? We always try to make simple, easy but yet innovative projects for the students by using readily and easily available materials so that they can do these DIY projects on their own or sometimes with the help of elders. If you like our videos and our concept, please subscribe and share our channel with your friends. Don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that you will keep getting the new updated projects and crafts videos. Thank you very much.